There is no denying how popular Japanese animation has become. From its niche presence in 70s and 80s with series like Speed Racer and Astro Boy to the anime boom in 90s with Pokemon, Sailor Moon and Dragon Ball Z. Anime has impacted Western pop culture and society dramatically with its quirky characters, imaginative worlds, and original storytelling style. Yet, despite its popularity, there remains a stigma surrounding Japanese animations that keeping many potential Western fans away. Many think anime is all about sex and prevention, others assume it's hyper violent and bloody, while some people just think the whole Japanese animation thing is too weird for their Western sensibilities. In truth, anime can be for anyone, and there is a mountain of reasons why everyone should at least give an anime series or a movie a go before writing off the entire generation. So, guys, welcome to my channel, Simply Entertaining, and today we'll be discussing some reasons that you should watch anime if you are not watching them right now. The first and foremost reason which stops someone from watching a web series or anime or any kind of a movie, it's the paywall. But majority of the animes that are available out there are free. If you search it hard enough on Google or any other engine, you can find some free websites that are streaming your favorite anime for free. However, you can still pay for watching anime on Crunchyroll, Netflix, but they are limited. On the other hand, these websites that stream anime for free have a huge number of anime that can be watched for free without any interpretation. Second reason that everyone enjoys anime is the toe tapping and the heartwarming music. Anime has some of the best theme songs and background music regardless of the kind of the show you are looking for. Looking for some catchy tunes for your kids? Pokemon and Sailor Moon have got you covered. Want to relax and listen to something a little more sophisticated? Any of the must-see Studio Ghibli film soundtracks will enchant and entertain. Curious about the latest modern J-pop hit, Naruto and Bleach will inspire anyone to explore modern Japanese music. Anime is a brilliant gateway into Asian music while still being a rewarding listening experience in its own right. Many fans admit to watching anime purely for the music and it's easy to see or rather hear. Another very important reason that many people watch anime is because the stunning animation and backgrounds. A lot of anime series and movies are visually stunning. Especially the Studio Ghibli films such as Spirited Away and Princess Mononoke are great examples of amazing quality animations and character designs with background artwork that could be framed and hung in an art gallery. Indeed, many anime sets, background and production designs are in fact well respected by the artists and gallery creators, and it's quite common to see touring art exhibits featuring anime artwork exclusively. Another great reason why people enjoy watching anime is character development and plot stories forming around the character development. While there are exceptions such as that of Bambi's mother and Simba's father in Bambi, the Lion King respectively, for the most part of characters don't really die in Western animations, and when they do, it's almost always a supporting character and never the main protagonist. In anime, all bets are off. The original 80s Transformers animated movie was a massacre that saw the death of almost an entire generation of characters, including the iconic character Optimus Prime. Characters die so often in Sailor Moon that it actually became a plot point as the series progressed and more characters passed away during Neon Genesis Evangelion and Attack on Titan than during the Game of Thrones infamous Red Wedding. No one is safe in an anime, series, or movie. Well, maybe Pikachu and Doraemon are some exceptions, and this makes them for much more rewarding and involving view experience. Another characters that are really hard to kill or cannot die easily are the overpowered isekai characters in any isekai anime. The most important, the major reason why you should consider watching anime that you don't have to worry about the cancellation of your favorite series or incomplete show. There is nothing worse than getting really into awesome cartoon series like Star Wars, Korra, and Spectacular Spider-Man only to see it discontinued after a season or two. With anime, this isn't something you really have to worry about. When an anime series is ongoing, it's really ongoing. Most of the popular franchises like Pokemon, One Piece, and Fairy Tail have been running for years. Pokemon has been going for almost 2 decades and there is no sign of stopping. Even the popular shows like Dragon Ball Z and Naruto do end and they normally have several hundred episodes under their wing. And let's not forget about the One Piece, which is over 1,000 episodes long. And there can be also an option of reading manga if you're really into an anime that is no longer coming, no wrong, is no longer streaming. Anime fans very rarely get the rug pulled out from under when they are watching a series. And so, guys, there are these 5 reasons why you should watch anime. The 5 reasons that I discussed in this video are that most of the anime can be watched for free. They are amazing musics, they are amazing character development and animations, and you don't have to worry about cancellation or a studio leaving in between the series. The when let you So guys, let's discuss what are your reasons to watch anime. Leave them in your comment section below. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.